My name is Cesar. This is my 1997 Toyota 4Runner 5-speed with 276,000 miles. This is my BTF Fab long travel kit with King resivoirs, King coilovers, trail gear, limiting straps. BTF says 15 inches of suspension travel compared to factory. And Heim's upper utilizes a lower factory ball joint. All direct bolt-in, no custom fabrication, only for the limiting straps and the bump stops. Ride's amazing. I had a Bilstein 5100 before off the Tundra, and there's a night and day difference. Axles are custom shafts from BTF Fab. Directly bolt-in for foreigners with a long travel kit. I also have a 1-inch body lift. 295 7017 Cooper STT Pros with Pro Comp beadlocks. 17x9 -6 offset. Has 10 ounces of airsoft BBs on every tire for balancing. Drove all the way from Fresno to Pismo. Didn't have an issue. Balanced well, no shaking. And it's a trail gear front bumper with a Smitty built X2O winch. And projector retrofit. And Panamera switchbacks. And turn signals are integrated into it.
Where'd you get these fenders?
Bought them 2 days before coming out here.
Do you know what kind of fenders they are?
No idea, but they work. And then dual ditch lights, black oak, and some rigid industries spotlights. Trail gear sliders. It's a DIY kit. Company's out of Fresno, so picked it up, welded on the next day. Roof rack is Outgear Solutions from LA, and just an Amazon light bar. My rooftop tent's a Tepui Kukenam 3 ruggedized version. Bought it on Craigslist. Use shocks with resivoirs.
Okay.
The piggybacks.
That was part of the BTF kit?
Yeah, part of the BTF kit on the raffle. This bumper is a coastal off-road DIY kit. Made it at my work. Fabbed it all up. It's pretty easy instructions. With a spare tire carrier and 2 jerry cans. Onboard air is a Viair with a single tank. The drawer system was just a weekend project. Worked out pretty good. Use it mostly for storing stuff. Just keeping stuff out from rattling. Keeping air hoses, recovery gear, and cooking utensils. Standard 3.4 with deck plate mod, air raid intake, and bigger battery. Sick mods.